Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, we are going to unbox our Boxycharm base box for the month of September 2021. So if you want to know what I got in my little box, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And of course, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into this little unboxing. This one is going to be my base box for the month of September. I am still waiting for some of the tracking information for my premium box. So once I get that delivery, I will also be doing the video on that. So let's go ahead and unbox this one together because I like to give you guys what my first impressions are. So this is what the box looks like. This is the little theme here. Let me see what it says. So it says real life runway, Boxycharm, and it is a runway theme. The variation of my box is going to be the letter C220902-BA. 22-BA. Anyways, it has all the information on here regarding what I'm getting in this little box. So let's take off this little packaging stuff, and this is what the box looks like. I see a palette and I see bubble wrap, and I want to get this one because I am kind of excited to see what it is. I love me some bubble wrap. Anyways, I will pop this later. So this looks like it's the Siesta Bamboo Bronzer. This is what the little box looks like, but let's see what the actual item is. Oh, I love Siesta London's packaging is so super cute. And this is what the bronzer looks like. It does look a bit orangey. What do you guys think? Let's see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like on my hand. It's really nice and soft and buttery. I low-key want to fucking try it. Let's try it, guys. Let's try a little bit. Okay, let me get a little brush really quick. So I'm going to be using this little Nars brush. That is my fave. Ooh, okay, that made it a little bit more intense. What do we think? Is it too orangey? What do we think, guys? And I always love a bronzed forehead. I think it is a little orange biscuit, but it still works. I think it's cute. I think it's really cute. I'm excited for this little Siesta bronzer. We'll definitely be putting this to use. All right, what else did we get in our books? So let's get this item right here. This looks like it's a purple palette. This is by Ace Beauty. And this is the Violet Sage. I think that's what it says. Girl, we're going to rip this apart. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. It is a cardboard palette. I really like cardboard palettes. Oh my god, que bonito. Okay, so this palette is a cardboard palette. And what I love is that you can push the little flap all the way back and go in and do your eyeshadow with one hand. This is what the color story looks like. I love these. Greens are so beautiful. I am so ready for fall. I don't know if you guys could tell or not, but I'm ready for the fall vibes, the vampy lips, the dark eyes. I just love a fall time. I'm so over the heat. These colors are super gorgeous. Oh, this pretty metallic-y pink looks very beautiful. Let's see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Really pretty to put on the eyelid. But I'm loving these two green shades. Greens are my favorite. Super cute. Sage, and I can't see what this one says. Juniper? Juniper. Super gorgeous. Even the purple ones are very pretty. The violets. Oh my god, I'm so ready for fall. This is a really pretty palette. I'm so excited to play with it. What else did we get? So that was 2 items. We have this item here. I think I chose this. remember what I chose, but I'm pretty sure I chose this. So I love makeup items. So this one is by Wander Beauty. And I think this is like, isn't it for the cheeks or something? I think that's what it was. Let me check. So this is what the packaging looks like. And it is a Wander Beauty On The Glow Blush and Illuminator. Okay, so this side is going to be the blush. This is a really pretty shade too, by the way. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's so pretty, nice and creamy and pigmented. It's so gorgeous. Love that. Okay, let's blend it out. Yeah, very pretty. Love the formula on it. It's like really buttery. I really like that. So there's the blush. And then we also do have the other side, which is this one. And this one's going to be the Illuminator, the highlighter. And this is what it looks like. Ooh, it's super pretty. Let's also swatch this. I think I'll swatch it here. I'm running out of space in my hand. But anyways, this is the highlighter here. And again, the formula is really nice and soft, super pretty. These two would definitely complement each other. It's a really nice duo. Leave me a comment down below. What do you guys think about this box so far? I kind of like it. I'm digging the box this month. I really look forward to my makeup items. That's just who I am. I love makeup. I really don't look forward to skincare because that's not my strength. But this is super pretty. So far, so good. We got a bronzer, we got an eyeshadow palette, and we got a little duo. Let's see what else we got in our box. What is this little green box? Say what? Coconut Kisses. This is what the little box looks like. And it says it's a nourishing lip mask. So let's open it. Okay, there is no way. Let me open it up and I'll be right back. All right, so I was able to get the little shrink wrap out, and here is the little lip mask. This reminds me of the little lip mask from Laneige. How do you guys say it? I don't know. My Spanish accent always kicks in. But anyways, this kind of reminds me of that. It's really cute, the little tub. I think I have one from them that I use. It's the pink one. This is the one that I use, and they kind of look like they're related. What do you guys think? Anyway, so this one is also a lip mask, but let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it has the protector. Let's pop that. I really don't smell anything. But anyways, let's see. The formula is really nice. It feels super soothing. It feels like it's a really good lip balm. Lip mask, I should say. Yeah, it looks super moisturizing. So I will set this by my nightstand so I could start using it at the end of the night. And then we have one more item to go through really quickly. Really snappy. And we also did get a lip liner. And this is a lip liner from Beauty For Real. It looks like this is the shade. It kind of looks like what I'm wearing on my lips. No? What do we think? Ooh. All right, let's see. Let's swatch it. Oh, dang. This is nice. I really like that. I hope that you guys could see it, but there it is. And it's a retractable lip liner, so you guys do not have to sharpen it. I kind of actually do want to try this out because I feel like it would complement my lips today. So anyways, that's gonna be it. That's all I got in my box. Leave me a comment down below, guys. I want to know what you guys think about the box. Did you get your box? Are you impressed with the items you got in your box? Let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment down below. If you guys are enjoying this video, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and go over everything and wrap it on up. So the Wander Beauty On The Glow Blush and Illuminator retails for a whopping $38. Say what? Okay, $38 for this. Girl. Okay, so then up next we got the Acer Beauty eyeshadow palette, which is this one. Super gorgeous. I hope that it works well. I hope it's like really pigmented and it looks nice. This palette does retail for $32. We also do have the Siesta London bronzer. This little baby right here. I really like this one. This one's going to be $25. And then I also do have a Give Them Lala Skin, which is the Coconut Nourishing Mask, which is this one right here. This one's $22. Okay. And then we also do got the Define lip liner, which is this one right here. Super gorgeous. This one is $16. Let me add it on up and I'll tell you what the retail value of my box is. All right, guys, so the total retail value of my box was worth of $133. And I'm impressed with my box. I feel like it was a really good box. I got most of my makeup items, which that's what I look forward to. And I also did define my lips with this lip liner. What do we think? I made it a little bit more vampier. I'm getting like the chola vibes. I don't know. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today. If you guys did like this video, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye.